In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off online booking on Fresha, ensuring that your business and services remain offline whenever you choose. This tutorial is perfect for those moments when you wish to take a break, manage bookings manually, or simply prefer not to accept online appointments for a certain period. Let's dive in, shall we? Our journey begins at the Fresha platform, specifically designed for business users like you. You'll want to direct your browser to Fresha's business section, which can be easily found at https://www.fresha.com/for-business. This page is your gateway to controlling various aspects of your business's online presence and operations on Fresha. Once you arrive, the next step is to log in to your account. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will lead you to the login page, where you'll see multiple options for how you can log in. Among these, you'll find the For Business option, which is the one you should select as it directs you specifically into the Business Manager section of the site. Following the selection of For Business, you'll be prompted to choose your preferred method of signing in. One of the most convenient options is to sign in using Google. This is particularly handy if you already use Google services for your business, as it streamlines the login process by connecting your Google account to Fresha. After clicking on the Google sign-in option, you'll be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Select the account you wish to use for your Fresha business profile. This is a crucial step as it ensures that all your business activities on Fresha are linked to the correct Google account, maintaining a consistent and seamless experience across your business operations. Now that you're signed in, it's time to navigate to the heart of today's tutorial: turning off your online booking. Start by heading over to the online booking section. This area is specifically designed to give you control over how your services are booked online. Inside online bookings, you'll find the Marketplace Profile option. This is where you'll have the chance to manage your business's public profile on Fresha's Marketplace, an essential step to effectively turning off your online bookings. Once you're viewing your Marketplace profile, look for the Options button. This might seem a bit tricky at first, but it's usually located near your business information. The Options section is where you have the capability to make significant changes to your profile's status on Fresha. Here comes the critical part of our journey. Click on Unlist Profile. This action is what will take your business off the Fresha online booking marketplace. However, one click is not enough. Fresha is designed to ensure you are making deliberate choices about your profile, so it will ask you to confirm your decision. You'll need to click on Unlist Profile once more after the initial selection. This might seem redundant, but it's a carefully placed step to prevent accidental unlisting of your business. After the second confirmation, you'll be guided to a page to finalize the unlisting of your profile. Here, once again, click on Unlist Profile. This final click is the definitive action that will remove your business from being bookable online, ensuring that no new online bookings can be made. What we've gone through today will effectively pause your business's online booking capability on Fresha. It's a process that is both reversible and flexible, allowing you to manage your online presence according to the needs of your business. Remember, unlisting your profile doesn't delete your account or remove any existing bookings. It simply hides your profile from the Fresha marketplace, preventing new online bookings. Whether it's for focusing more on walk-ins, managing a busy schedule, or simply taking a well-deserved break, turning off online booking on Fresha provides you with the flexibility to run your business your way. That's it. You now know how to take control of your online booking settings on Fresha. This tutorial aimed to provide you with a clear, step-by-step guide on managing your online presence on one of the most popular booking platforms for beauty and wellness services. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Remember, managing your online bookings effectively can significantly enhance your business operations and customer satisfaction. Happy managing!